recording.
Well, I just want to wish everybody Merry Christmas. It's New Year's Eve. Christmas Eve. Out for a little ride. It's about 50-some degrees today. Just got out for a little spin. I traded my old fat boy in for this fat boy because they couldn't get the rim. I was out there yesterday and or the day before, and they said it still hasn't come in yet. It's not supposed to be in until the end of January. So I'm kind of glad I switched it around because I wouldn't be riding right now. The only bad thing is that they were supposed to switch all the stuff over and they didn't. So one of the things they forgot to switch over and I forgot to check was the horn. I had one of those Japanese horns. So yesterday I worked on switching it over. There's that one. Then I put on air horn just for emergencies. Just a little crazy. But gotta get somebody's attention. It's well worth it, I think. Like I said, it's Christmas Eve, and I want to wish everybody a happy Merry Christmas. Hopefully everything's going right and good for you guys. Got a new year coming up here in about a week. Like I said, hope everything's good and going well for you guys. Supposed to have a polar bear run on January 1st. Right now it looks like it's going to be around 40-some degrees. The only bad thing is down at Wheeling, and I have to hour or so, hour and 15 minutes, hour and a half to get down there. Have to break up my heated gear for sure on that one. Been trying to get the videos up. Working on the second day Tennessee trip. Hope you enjoy them. Last year, this time, I had a bunch of plans on what we were going to do this year, but some of the things got messed up. So, this year, right now, the main thing we got is going down to Daytona Beach for Bike Week in March. Probably gonna tow the bikes down to Georgia, Huntsville, to my son's place. Unless it's super warm for 2 weeks. And from Daytona, we're planning on going down to Key West. It's one of the things I've had it on my bucket list for a long time. The most southern spot of the United States. We were watching a video on YouTube the other day, and they were going to the northernmost spot of the United States, up through Alaska, and that. Some beautiful country up there, but quite a bit off-road riding. I don't think Brenda would like that too much, but wouldn't mind riding on some of the highways and that they have up in Alaska. Maybe I'll get lucky someday and we can head up that way. Not as green this time of year as it is in the summertime. Still nice to get out and enjoy the scenery, I think. Brenda had to run to the mall today and get some stuff, and she said there's a Grinch riding a Harley-Davidson today. Kids were going crazy about it. Kind of nice. Promote riding a little bit. That's what it's all about. Had to play with my new horn a little bit. Some of us never grow up. So it makes life exciting, I think. You gotta have a little fun no matter what you do, so with work you have to be a little more serious all the time.